What's going on, guys? Romer the Romer. Check out what I got for Christmas, y'all. Grandma came in clutch. Look at this, baby. You're supposed to, it's an occupational therapist made this to increase coordination in their patients. It's pretty hard. I promise I've gotten it before, though. You're supposed to stack them all up on top of each other.
Look, grind hard, well done, sir, and welcome to the freaking Well Show.
Anyway, in this video, what am I going to talk about? I'm going to talk about, damn, that really just distracted me. Let's back it up. I was about to talk about that, and I already made the video on that, and now I'm making the video on this, which is, oh yeah, how, like, the most important thing when it comes to scaling a book business is relationships. All day, relationships, and more importantly, brand. If you can create a brand around your business, what's going to happen then is people are going to talk about you and your business, and it's going to spread to masses, and pretty soon you're going to have too many books to deal with. Also, lean towards book business models, inventory business models, where inventory comes to you pre-sorted. That's going to be, I believe that's the way, 10 years down the road, when we look at everyone in the game who made it, look at the people crushing it right now, it's going to be people with pre-sorted inventory coming to them, or really, really efficient ways of processing bulk inventory, which we as smaller sellers don't have that leverage yet. Okay, so we don't have all the fancy equipment. So focus on inventory that you can get consistently, even better if it can come to you, and even better if it's based on a relationship that you have exclusivity to. Okay, so you can do this with thrift stores. I have relationships with a couple of thrift store managers. Build relationships with different consignee partners. I have relationships with like 300 plus people in the reselling space. Other resellers, I sell their restricted inventory, restrictedinventory.com. That's a business I made. It has hundreds of relationships. Students, every year they go back to class. Better than students is the school. Establish a relationship with the school to where you get to show up each semester and purchase the books from them. Focus on relationships. If you focus on relationships, you will not be sad at the end of the year. It's trippy because it's December 31st right now, so it is the end of the year. But at the end of the year, next year, 2020, when it's over, and you go on your vacation for a month in January, which most booksellers should go on vacation in January because that's when all the textbook sales roll in, right? So when you're on the beach, you can check your sales and your sales numbers are high. You want your business to still have relationships, to still have ways of getting inventory. It's not all a hustle. It's not all scan. It's you have leverage over other booksellers because you focused on a niche that you're good at. We can be good at different niches. I'm good at one of the leverages sounds weird. One of the advantages I have is I have prominence. People know me in the reselling space. Okay, I come out with a lot of big words tonight. I've been reading a lot of books from my mentors. Check this out. I feel like Ty Lopez or some shit. But you might have prominence in your child's PTO group at school. You might be a teacher at a child. I could name 1,000 ideas. You might know someone who runs a clothing bin company, and you can set up you can purchase bins from them on a discount and set up donation bins for books and media around town. But at the end of the day, it comes down to relationships. You guys got to hustle. If you're introverted, get over that shit. Go out there, practice saying hi to people. Develop an online presence. It doesn't have to be a resell. It doesn't have to be all cheesy and shit. You don't have to be like me. Put yourself out there though. And then what's going to happen is you're going to get a lot. Trust me, guys. Like, this isn't bullshit. This is real. You're going to get a lot of bites. You're going to have a lot of opportunities to get books, media, whatever you guys sell. This even goes for retail arbitrage guys working out deals with managers of Walmart. You're going to have all these opportunities. Then you're going to have to say no to a lot. I'm at the point where I'm saying no now. So you're going to have to say no. It's not worth my time. It's not worth my effort. No, I don't want your shitty Gaylords. Jim, get the hell out of here. Took your shitty Gaylords for 8 months. I'm done with it. That relationship was hindering you. Yes, it was good starting out. You strengthened your muscle for building relationships, but now you have that muscle for building relationships, which is a whole nother topic. You can't quantify that. That's why when you, even as much as I love, breaking down numbers and really having all these cool tools for tracking profit and all that, you can't truly quantify the health of a business, because a lot of the health of a business comes down to the quality of the relationships. And your bank account could be at 0. Maybe you just spent a bunch on inventory, but you have those relationships in place to where good inventory, good leads keep coming back to you. So hustle hard, guys. Focus on those good relationships. Comment below relationships that you've built or you aspire to build. Comment, if you have questions. I went over a couple of relationships that I think would be golden. If you focus on any of those, you guys got to think, stop thinking short term and think long term. How are you going to build a business that will last? And you're going to do that by creating a brand and focusing on relationships. Peace out, family. Hope you guys had happy holidays. Much love.
Violated health codes, dope sells like the charge do, but selling's all about potential, and money speaks, and I'm the